Do you want to lose out? If it seems like everyone is a so-called guru these days, it's because it's true. Everyone does seem to think they know everything and want to teach you what they learned. Never mind that they themselves don't know a blessed thing about this business. But they have a course, so it's all good, right? I don't know about you, but for me, if I'm going to grab a new course, it needs to be more than a cookie-cutter version of the same stuff everyone else has. Heck, it has to do more than what I could do by simply visiting YouTube and learning for free. There's got to be some reason why I should grab it, otherwise I kinda shrug and say, what's the point? So when I had a chance to check out this course, I didn't have high hopes. Well, I was wrong, what can I say? This thing, dang, it's good. I mean, it's got the basics down, so if you're new, you won't feel lost, but it's also not going to leave someone a little more advanced feeling high and dry, if you know what I mean. After all is said and done, what story will you tell about this email? Will you be saying that this was the moment that your life started to change? The one where you started to see a real difference? Or will it be something you've come to regret by ignoring this chance? Click the link below and grab your complimentary mini course.